You can earn money online right now, even if you have never earned money online before, and even if you believe or think it's impossible. And if you are already earning money online, I'm going to show you how to earn even more. My name is Ryan Borden. Let's jump into this. Are you ready to say yes to success? Pause the video right now if you would, and drop me a yes down in the comments below just to let me know that you're committed to success. Is it possible to earn $1,000 weekly? Well, let me show you. This is our PayPal account. This is the past 30 days. If we roll to 2022, we can see a whole lot more money. But even if we just look at the past 7 days, we can see $15,000. Now, I'm not saying this to brag. I am just saying this to show you that it's actually possible to earn $1,000 a week, because here's 15 times that. And this doesn't even include Stripe, which is our credit card processor, which has even more money in it each week. So if we can earn 15 times that, it's possible for you to earn $1,000 a week. What's the secret to gaining priority access to Chat GPT even if Chat GPT is down? If you go to this website right here, we can log in. Along the left, we're going to see a whole bunch of tools. Now, the bottom one is Chat. This is actually priority access for Chat GPT because it bypasses Chat GPT's front end entirely. So if the front end is down, we can still get to the back end of Chat GPT, and it's like having a paid Chat GPT account. So this is super useful when trying to utilize Chat GPT to make money, because we don't have to worry about it down, and it's down all the time. And this lets us get around that and make money every day, regardless of Chat GPT's status. Do you want to be able to use an automation process to generate income all year long? So the way that we do that is like this. Basically, the short is views equals traffic equals money. But what's going to happen is we're going to use short form content like so, the vertical videos like TikTok, Instagram Reels, so on and so forth. You can see YouTube Shorts here. And we are going to take a video and someone's going to watch the video. Then they're going to click a link in the video. Then they're going to go to a page where they can input their email address called a squeeze page. We are going to gather their email and then send them emails. And then they're going to buy products. And when they buy the products, you get paid. Do you want to know the 3 simple steps to break down video creation and eliminate stress? The problem that I run into, that a lot of people tell me is the problem anyways, is that they don't really know how to recreate videos or how to make videos so they can get traffic in the first place to their products or services or whatever, right? Or affiliate products. So video, a lot of people get hung up on it, and it's really actually pretty easy. Video is really just 3 components. It is video, some sort of motion, some sort of text, and then some sort of sound. So you can record yourself talking, but you don't have to do that. You can actually just record any kind of stock footage in the background, put some text over the top of it, and choose a sound such as a song. How can you effortlessly create a video using Chat GPT? All you got to do is go to TikTok and search something like how to make money online or whatever you want. Find a video like this that just has the text on the screen. All it really is just some video background and a song and some text. You can literally use your face, you can film a tree blowing in the breeze, or you can even use stock footage. People get stuck up on that, on making the video and talking and everything, when really it has to be simple. This is 1.1 million views. So here's the text on the screen that we have like here. And so I'm here at ChatGPT. All I did was ask it to rewrite the script, but make it similar, but a little bit different. So now all I literally have to do is take the new text that it gave me, put it over a video, any kind of footage in the background, choose a song, and boom, I'm done. Video doesn't have to be a hard or stressful thing. Are you ready to merge a ChatGPT script that ChatGPT created, some stock footage, and a free song using free software to create a short that you can make money off of? Meet CapCut. It's a free software you can get from CapCut.com. You just download it. You can get your stock footage from someplace like Pexels. Just download something that you like. And then all you have to do is take the footage, stick it in here. You take the script that ChatGPT wrote, you add it in with a text box, and then you pick a song that you like, and you add it in here, and voila, you're set. And at the bottom, you put your link, and you go to export it, upload it to YouTube, Facebook, and the rest, and start getting traffic to your link, which ultimately generates sales. Is learning new skills essential for making money online? This is an important question to consider because if you've ever gotten any job or anything, there's always an orientation. There's always things that you have to learn, rules and specifics, do's and don'ts, and things that you need to learn to do a job. So naturally, there's going to be things that you need to learn to make money online. So you have to do some things. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme overnight. There is no such thing where you're just going to push a button and then retire on the beach. It doesn't exist. So you're going to have to invest some time to learn some new skills to make some money online. So what's the secret to turning video views into valuable traffic and ultimately making money off of them, right? So obviously we know that we can put videos up on social platforms and get lots of views. You can see here. But what happens is somewhere in this video, people are going to place a link to direct people to go somewhere. And when they get there, then they're ultimately going to capture their email address and send them emails and sell them things with an automation system. The value here is that you want people to view your video because views are eyeballs and time spent and then invested interest. And so then those people are going to click your link, go there, and ultimately buy products. And when they buy products, you get paid. So how do you use an automation system to make money from people all year long? Well, automation system is the key, but the key obviously is making short form content, and in the video to put a link to come here. And this is where you capture their email address. So when they come here, they enter their email address and click Get Started Now. And then the automation system is going to send them emails every single day, all year long, selling them whatever it is that you're selling, whether it's your products or affiliate products or whatever. And then when they click the link in the email and they buy the product or sign up for the service or whatever it is, you get paid. And it's all on autopilot, all automatic. So you like the idea of making money, but you don't have your own products or services to sell. So how can you make money? Well, that's pretty easy. If you go to this website right here, you can get this free checklist, which is a list of companies that will pay you to promote their products. And it goes across the bottom here. There's all kinds of companies on here that will pay you to promote their products. So you just sign up with them and they'll give you an affiliate link. Down at the bottom of each one of these pages is a link called an affiliate program. And you sign up there, they give you a special link, and that's the link that lets you get paid. And furthermore, if you go to the yellow box right here, you can join the free Facebook group and get among other people that are already having success and that can answer your questions and help you out. How can you access the private live classes that teach you how to make money online and break everything down step by step? Well, just go over here to this website, and it is live every Tuesday, every Thursday. I'm in there teaching, Chase is in there teaching, other people are in there teaching, and we break it down for you step by step by step. And we walk you through the entire process from start to finish on how you can use videos and automation systems to make money online and generate money all year long. And the great thing about it is that it doesn't matter if you're a beginner and you've never made money online before, or if you've already made money online. We're going to help you either way. If you're a beginner, we're going to help you make your first dollar, the first 100, the first 1,000. And if you have already made money online before, we're just going to give you the tools to help you make more. So jump over to the live classes and sign up, and I will see you in the next live class. And until then, happy money making.